Orain YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing another seafood boil. I know we've done kind of 2 on our channel already, but like you guys seem to enjoy these videos. We definitely enjoy making them, and we're going to do a new spin to it. I think he wants to add. The last time we did it without actually recording it, we added like egg and sausage, and actually came all good. You know, in the original states, you know, adding those things kind of make it start seem like a terrestrial boil, you know, adding land things. But it came out good, and we're going to do that, and we're going to do a different element as well. Look how Orain I do the thing, I'm not even finished. So our intention was like we draw some inspiration that we were watching a video earlier today from a chef, and he actually cooked down the seafood from scratch in the sauce. But Orain kind of, you know, he might add elements of that. He's still doing it his way to an extent. So he's gonna cook he's gonna boil the king crab and the crayfish for a bit, and then cook it down into the sauce. Cause I think he's kind of afraid about the rawness in the sauce. So yeah. Time around, the seafood that we'll be using is actually just king crab and crayfish. We couldn't get any blue crab, and we'll have a lobster as well, but we're going to do something different with the lobster. So this is now our little famous, I guess, seafood boil pot. Orain already cut up onions, a hot pepper, thyme, and scallion in the pot to boil. So along what's in the pot, Orain, what you're putting in there? So paprika.
And all of them.
Right, so garlic powder. He already put in cayenne pepper as well. And next he's gonna put in all-purpose season up. And then he's gonna put in some of the veggie dehydrated vegetable flavored soup mix. Why did I choose to say everything? I don't have no idea. I also would like to mention, as you can see, the crab is cracked. If you check to our last video, you will see that, you know, when he did this method, he basically just use a hammer and beat it. Basically, so when it's being cooked or boiled, it absorbs the seasoning, you know, better actually throughout the entire meat because it's in a shell. And for the crayfish, he cleaned it up. As you can see, kind of sliced it. Ooh, where is it there? Sliced it open to an extent and cleaned it up. So these are just to have better penetration of the boil in the actual mix. We're adding something. We're adding something new this time. I don't know why he felt like he needed to open it that way, but okay. We're adding a Restripe beer to the mix. Hey, ease up. You want it in the sauce too. You want some nice sauce, no, but don't overdo it.
Let's see how this look more seasoned than the second one.
Yeah, honestly, this one, the second one we did, guys, it was good, but like with this, I can smell the bursting of flavors from the get-go. Definitely, if we're going to do this method, I'm gonna add a little water.
Don't put shrimps in here. I pull it. You pull them back up. Don't put no shrimps in your seafood boil.
Well, you know, don't want that bubbly ginger ale taste. Don't knock it till you try it, but I never mean tell you, yeah? Yeah, so Orain is now adding the seafood spice. And then he's gonna add some fish spice as well.
Fish seasoning now. And that is that.
So you're gonna work on the sauce now. You're gonna put the crab and the crayfish in it, then work on the sauce. So. Okay. We're gonna add in, hold on. Alright, so we're gonna add in like the stars of the show. Well, one of the stars, cause you know, the beer is also a VIP member. So, Mr. King Crab.
Crab himself.
So you feel the first one to arrive to the party. Crawfish. Craw daddies. Whatever you choose to call them, crayfish, crawfish, craw daddies.
Shrimp.
Shrimps. Any shrimps though. We're gonna work on the sauce ASAP, guys. Okay, as I said, you started them look red already. Look at the tips of the crayfish already.
Them not staying there long. Them are go them final resting place before the stomach is the sauce.
Alright. Some lemon juice. No, this is lime.
mash out the feed.
Alright, so you see the seafood is cooked. That took no time at all.
Them out of the water now. Make up the sauce. Put them in the sauce. Make them simmer in there. Instead of cook the sauce and then
Add it on top of it.
So the sauce will already soak through them bones. So after I take out the
bones, the shell.
The shell to rot.
I know the people, you know, you can understand the passion.
So yeah, and then we put in the potato and the corn, the egg and the sausage.
Yeah, this is just showing us what we're doing for this seafood boil around. Like, if you want to take it as inspiration, you're definitely welcome to. But by no means we're saying this is how you have to do your thing.
Yeah, from you like it. That's the right.
Every time we do seafood boil, we do it a different way. Honestly, every time, and we don't record all of them. So this is a new one. Alright, so he's adding that to put the, what do you call it, the sausage in, because we're going to slice the sausage in.
I'm really actually know fish.
Yeah, so he's just going to do that for the sausage.
Sausage party. Just
adding a good amount of margarine, and now he's adding butter. What?
Alright, so that red thing in there is paprika. This is all purpose.
Alright, so we're adding the corn now. There wasn't much space in the pot beforehand. But they're sweet corn, so I don't think they should take that.
And the potato, them still in there.
Yeah, the potatoes are. Is that a piece of crayfish?
Yeah, piece
oh
of
no,
it.
He got lost in the pot.
That is that. That is that.
You're not taking the crayfish?
Alright, so I'm pouring the sauce in the crayfish and then back into the pot and then light up the fire. Make them go on bubble up. And the good stuff. Oh, by the way, the sausage is not this, and the eggs over this are cool down to take off the shell. Potato them still not come out and they can't them. So them are bubble down. So them in like this. Then that's shell. Yeah, run. Oh, I think that's it. That's why I broke it up. That's it. Everybody get sauce.
Alright. So you're gonna add the corn now. thought you would have sliced the potatoes. Yeah.
Not a box.
There it is.
We load one time, then sit down in a class and we pour 10